Hi guys, this is Ibrahim Babatunde from Data Tech Analytics. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make use of sum and offset to sum a particular information from a particular period to another period. Many people think we can only use sum to sum an information and give us the aggregate, but there are many ways of making use of sum, which it be even surprise you by the time I apply this sum to what we want to achieve here. Okay, and we can also make use of offset to achieve the same objective. Now, once I make use of the two functions, then you can now decide on which one is convenient for you based on their flexibility and possibilities. Okay, now let's go to this sum first. Let's assume that I want to know my sum from particular period to another period to now, like first quarter, second quarter of, let's say, from month of excuse me, from month of February to month of May or April, and so on and so forth. Then you just need to put equal sign, then you put sum. So then what I want to sum from this column, control shift down arrow, then you put multiplication sign like this, you open your parentheses. Then the next thing you will do is just to come to the month, that is the range. Okay, you now take this array, now say greater than or equal to, okay, that is if anything is greater than or equal to any period I want to start. Let me pick this from this period. Okay, then you close this, you introduce another multiplication, you open your parentheses, then you also come to this array again, which is your period range. Okay, then and if it is less than or equal to period, to a particular period, okay, which is your destination, and you also close this and you close your last parenthesis and you press enter button. You can see that I have 0 here. Now let me now say I want to sum the first quarter, that is from January to March. You just put 1 here, then you put 3 here. You can see what we have now. I have 90, and if you add it together, you can see that it is actually 90. This is 25 plus 35, that is 60. 60 plus 30, that is 90. Now let's also take another range. Let's say I want to sum it from month of March to month of May, which means I want to start from 3 to 50 months. Okay, you can see what I have again. I also have 90. It's just an accidental stuff. Okay, now let's say I want to start. Let me change it from this period, March. Let's say from February to May. You can see that I have 115, and if you add it mechanically, you can see that we actually have this. Okay, that is how you make use of sum. Okay, apart from the normal way of using it, we all know. Now let's move to offset and see what will happen. Now you just come here. If you have not had to make use of offset before, okay, it will be very easier for you to use. But if you don't know, don't worry, I'm going to show you and explain every step. Now just come here and say equal to offset. As you can see it, then what is my reference point? Reference point is where you want to start. Okay, let's say I want to start from this column. Okay, B1, comma, then what is rows? Rows here means that, okay, which rows I want to start from. Let's assume that I want to do what I have here. Okay, let's now assume that I want to start from this row 2, which is February. You just put 2. Okay, then you put comma, column. My column is this column, exact column where I started from, and by implication is 0, because we usually count from 0. Then if you go back, it will say minus. If you go front, you will count 1, 2, and so on and so forth. But here now I want to remain on the same column, then you put 0 there. Another comma. What is my height? Height here means that, okay, how many rows I want to take. How many rows I want to take. As you can see, I want to take from this month of February. You just count it 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the month of May. Okay, it means that I want to take 4 rows. Then you put 4 there. Then comma, what is my width? I want to remain in this column. Then you just put 1 there, and you close your parentheses and you put enter button. You can see what I have here, that is just split all this information from February 25, 35, 40, and 15. You can see from February to May I have this, but in offset can accept the aggregate function, which is sum. As you can see that sum is very efficient function and most useful function in Microsoft Excel. Then I have to introduce this sum so that I can sum all of them together to give me my result. Then I close it, I press enter. You can see that I have the same result. Okay, irrespective of whatever you want to achieve. Once you know how you can maneuver all these functions in Microsoft Excel, they can do a lot of things. They can do a lot of impossibilities. I believe you have learned two or more from this lesson. If you have done so and you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel and therefore to do so, that is the only price you can pay for all this knowledge. The next time we meet, I remain Ibrahim Baba today for Data Tech Analytics. Bye for now.